Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MORTY token. Now the MORTY token is trending on DEX tools and on DEX screener right now. Very popular Solana meme coin. It is trending number 5 on DEX tools and trending number 7 on DEX screener. Token just came out under 24 hours ago and is doing extremely well. Millions of dollars of market cap and 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the information on the MORTY token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token actually just jumped up to number 2 in the Solana section on DEX tools. Trending all over the place, this token today. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen so you guys can easily find this project. Their Twitter is at MORTY Solana CTO, and CTO is short for community takeover, so most likely there's already been a community takeover for this token here, which means the dev is probably out of the picture and the community is just running this token, but we'll verify that on DEX screener in a second here. So yeah, at MORTY Solana CTO, you can find this token on SolScan, BirdEye, DEX tools, DEX screener. It says, MORTY token is a Solana-based meme token inspired by the iconic character Morty from the hit series Rick and Morty. Their Twitter just joined in April 2024, and they have 2,763 Twitter followers, 47 tweets, and yeah, so it says, we have the same dev of at Chill Guy CTO. So whoever took over the Chill Guy CTO project took over MORTY CTO, and maybe that's why this token is so popular, because people saw that, realized, I guess maybe that person did a good job with the other token, the just a Chill Guy token, and so people, you know, if they trust the dev or they like the dev, then they take a shot on the other token. So their Telegram is at MORTY Solana CTO, 2,132 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, partnerships, announcements, all that good stuff there. And yeah, so 47 tweets with updates on there in their Twitter, and it says they're being listed soon on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. I don't see application numbers yet, but they say that's coming soon. They have here lots of tweets regarding the Chill Guy token, and it looks like a new, what is that, a news article or something in there? Binance.com, maybe that's a news article you could check out. Yeah, lots of cool tweets though, but they have an insane amount of holders already, 24,540 holders, and this token just came out 21 hours 13 minutes ago on RAYDIUM, brand new token. They already have 1,259 pooled SOL in RAYDIUM, which is equivalent to 27,249,000 pooled MORTY tokens. Now this token was created on pump.fun, a web page for creating Solana meme coins. They have here a quick audit. It says no freezable tokens, contract is not mintable. They have been doing a marketing boost. So it says marketing boost 1,000 lightning bolt ads. So that's good. I don't see a community takeover claim on DEX screener. Maybe they'll update that later, but it only says CTO on the socials, not on DEX screener yet. They have 5 different liquidity providers in RAYDIUM. It says Morty token is a Solana-based meme coin inspired by Rick and Morty, channeling Morty's chaotic energy, awkward charm, and interdimensional misadventures. Morty is here to bring humor and excitement to the crypto space. So trending number 7 on Dex Screener, they have a market cap right now of $11 million. Right now in the past 24 hours, this token is up 11,052%. And even in the past 6 hours, it's up 158%. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $45.5 million. Just today, they've had 195,867 transactions. They have a liquidity pool of $596,000 in Raydium. And according to Dex Screener, 99.94% of that total liquidity pool is locked and burned. Now, token price is almost at a penny. Right now, it is 0.0097 USD. And if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet. You could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could download one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So once you funded your wallet with Sol, you go into the dApps, you'd find Raydium, then you would trade your Sol for the Morty token using the contract address that you could find on the Twitter that's right up here, or on their webpage, morty-sol.fun. It's right at the bottom of their webpage, along with a contact email, community@morty-sol.fun, in case you need to reach out to somebody. There is step-by-step how to buy on their webpage as well, in case you didn't understand how I explained it and you get stuck. It says their partners are Pump.fun, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, and it also says Gate. So maybe this token will be getting a Gate Central Exchange listing coming soon. We'll have to wait and see. On their webpage, they have a bunch of GIFs, Morty GIFs that you could like copy paste and then share on your socials. That's a way of shilling out the token. And yeah, so they have all the social links and all the chart links on their webpage. And basically this token here has 999.99 million total and circulating supply. And yeah, doing very well. Brand new token trending all over the place. Go check it out. There's a token actually trending right now, number 7, PICKLE Rick. Ticker symbol is PRIC. Check that token out. I did a video on that a while ago. Maybe because the Morty token is so popular, the PICKLE Rick token is also trending. So go check out that Solana meme coin video I did as well. Maybe I'll try to remember to link it at the end of this video. But anyways, let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about Morty? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.